Good afternoon, student. I R.K. Tripathi present here for the discussing the digestive gland and their function. Before the digestion or digestive system, we discuss here about which digestive gland are present in our alimentary canal in digestive system. English medium class 10. Mostly digestive gland are exocrine gland. Exocrine gland means there are two type of gland have been regarded into the human beings or mammals, endocrine and exocrine. Exocrine gland have a duct or capillaries. The secretion of the gland are transported by a capillaries called duct that is known as the exocrine gland. These glands secrete the enzymes which are responsible for the digestion of the different type of the food material. Then when we grasp the food into the mouth, in mouth there are three pair of, means six pair of salivary gland are present: parotid, sublingual and lingual. Three pair of parotid, lingual and sublingual are present, which secrete the ptyalin like amylase. Salivary amylase we can say. Salivary amylase secrete or ptyalin secrete which convert the starch into the glucose. In the esophagus there is no salivary gland are present. Esophagus have no salivary gland are present. When esophagus reach to the stomach, stomach have a gastric gland which secrete the pepsin and chymotrypsin which digest the food proteinous part. And largest gland are present into the digestive system called liver. The weight of the liver are 1.5 kilogram, means 1500 gram. This secrete the bile juice by the bile duct. The liver have so much function, and there have the large number of function like glycogenesis, number 8, glucogenesis, point 2, production of vitamin A, production of vitamin E, production of bile juice, and there are so many functions of the liver. And also they accumulate, synthesize or store the half kg of the glycogen which are used as the food for the when we hunger. Then again the pancreatic gland, yani pancreas, these are also the leaf-like structure, mango leaf-like structure, and open into the duodenum. Both glands are open into the duodenum by their duct. These are yellow-like structure yellow like color, and it secretes the trypsin, chymotrypsin, and other type of enzyme which digest the food. In the small intestine, Leber-Kuhn gland are present which secrete the chymotrypsin, trypsin, amylase, maltase. There are so many enzymes are secreted by the Leber-Kuhn gland, and they digest their food and complete the digestion. Thanks.